guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about my swing trading strategy for 2024. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, save it. Do what you guys do. Also, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Carter and I've been a full-time swing trader for about 6 years. And exciting news, we're holding a holiday sale for our swing trading course where we talk about strategies, mindsets, how I find stocks for swing trading. I'll put it down below. We're doing 30% off for this month only. After this month, it is going up in price. So check it out. You guys will have access to the course, lectures, quizzes, live streams, all that good stuff. Check it out down below. But overall, guys, let's dive into this. All right, so for those of you that don't know what swing trading is, well, in general, swing trading is when you buy a stock, you hold it for more than a day, but less than 1 year. When you buy and sell a stock during the same trading day, it's considered a day trade, and it's a different type of trading. It's a different strategy and mindset. Now, when you buy a stock and you hold it for more than a year, that's a long-term investment. And just like day trading, it's a different type of investing. It's not trading. It's honestly more of a long-term investment. It's a different strategy, mindset, and all that good stuff. Now, on average, I do hold my swing trades for about 14 days. Obviously, there is going to be times where I possibly buy and sell it during the same trading day, and there is going to be times where I do hold it for a couple of months, but on average, I do hold it for about 14 days. And with that being said, and some of the things that are super important for beginners, because I know there's going to be a lot of beginners watching this video, is paper trade. Paper trading is a great way to develop that strategy and work on it. Now, the strategy that we're going to be talking about later is a strategy that works well for me. So the biggest recommendations that I would recommend all types of traders is to open up a paper trading account. I used Moomoo. It's absolutely fantastic. I'll put it down below. Check it out. But the reason I love it is because you guys can practice. You know, you have to think of trading as like a career and not a hobby or something like that. You have to put in education, hard work, and practice in order to be successful. So that's why I would highly recommend a paper trade so you can learn as much as possible. The more you learn, the more you're going to earn with trading and swing trading. All right, now that we understand that, let's actually turn to the computer and look at my swing trading strategy. All right, so this is the more recent swing trade that I actually did, and it's on ticker symbol UROY. Now, one of the more important things when looking at a stock is trends. Trends, in my opinion, are super important. Now, looking at it, you guys will see that we have an upward trend. So the stock is going upward in pretty much value. And on top of that, another thing that is very, very important is using something called moving average lines. Moving average lines are a trend indicator, so you can look at it and just get an overall idea of the trend of the stock. So you guys can see we have an upward trend. On top of it, when the stock is above these moving average lines, like they are right here, we see tendencies of these moving average lines using support. So you guys will see it actually comes down in contact with it right here. Now near and around this $2.56 mark, and we got some push back up. This was about a 6% move right here. On top of that, another really important thing is just basic support and resistance. As we look at it, you guys will see we have support right here near and around this 263 and resistance up here at about 290. So you guys will look. Every time it hits this price, we get tendencies of buying pressure, right? It hits it there, it hits it here, it hits it here, right? So now understanding that, where would you try to buy this stock? Now, me being, rational and saying, okay, well, it got buying pressure near and around this 260 mark. On top of that, we get a indication that moving average lines act as support. So we have support on the price and we have support on the moving average line. So for me, I hopped in near and around 262, selling at about 280. Now, yes, I could have held out and probably seen a move up to 290, but this is a 5 or 6% move in the matter of 1 or 2 days. This is an incredible move, and I'd rather just take profits. One of the things that a lot of people don't realize with swing trading is, I've never lost money taking profit early. And what that means is when I'm up and I'm up 5, 6, 7, 8, 10% in the matter of 2 days, I'm going to take profit because I've never lost money taking profit. A lot of people don't understand that. Let's pull up another one so you guys can see another clear example. This is on ticker symbol SUZ. This is a very, very important and easy trade. Look at it here. Okay, looking at it, what do we have? We have an upward trend. So the stock goes up in value, right? Recently, this past year, it's gone up in value just like that, okay? So looking at that trend, okay, we understand that it has this trend. And on top of that, what else does it have? It has that 90-day moving average line. So that other stock used the red one. This one is just using the blue one, which is the 90-day. So this is the 200-day moving average, and this is the 90-day moving average line. You guys will see that it comes in contact, hits it here, we got buying pressure. Hits it here, we got buying pressure. So where would you buy this stock? At that 200, or at that blue line, at that 90-day moving average line. And you guys can see it hits it. We got an amazing push up. On top of that, if you guys don't believe that I've called these stocks out in the past, go check out my latest live streams where we've talked about how and what type of stocks, we look for here. We'll go ahead and we'll do one more. This is ticker symbol NVO. You guys will see it comes in contact, hits those 90-day moving average lines. We got buying pressure there, and we got an amazing move here. This is a clear example of a basic strategy that whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced trader that you can use to make money from swing trading in the stock market. Guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. And if you guys want to learn how I actually find these stocks, check out my course and you guys will see all the types of stocks I trade. You guys will learn my strategies, my mindsets, all that stuff. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my swing trading course. And we'll see you guys later. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Merry Christmas.